New images of camera protector accessories for the iPhone Ultra have given us a hint about the color options Apple's first foldable iPhone will offer. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Leaker Sonny Dickson yesterday shared images of two third-party camera protectors designed to fit over the iPhone Ultra's camera bump, with one in silver and one in a dark blue finish. Dickson has a track record of accurate accessory and dummy model leaks, including his early look at this year's iPhone 18 Pro colors. The images back up a May report that cited a Macworld supply chain source describing a classic silver and white model alongside an indigo option similar to the iPhone 17 Pro's deep blue finish. A silver finish was separately described as the first confirmed color in June, and a report the same week suggested the darker option might not be black. Dickson's accessories now offer the clearest visual confirmation yet of that silver and dark blue offering. The restrained approach stands in contrast to the iPhone 18 Pro, which is rumored to add a dark cherry finish and a light blue option alongside silver this year. A black option for the Pro models was also rumored initially, though a subsequent report suggested Apple decided not to include it this year. The leaked accessories also clearly show the widely rumored design of the camera plateau and on the back of the foldable iPhone, featuring two horizontally arranged lenses alongside a pill-shaped flash and a LiDAR scanner. The foldable iPhone Ultra is expected to be announced alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max next month. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.